Hello and welcome everybody. Here we are on this beautiful day to talk all about Dr. Wayne Dyer's 101 Ways to Transform Your Life. Here we are with part 17, another fantastic principle. I just keep saying that a lot these days, but this is an absolutely great principle. So he says this one's one of the best principles we've ever had passed on to us from the spiritual world. And this is the idea to love thy neighbor as thyself, coming right out of the words of Jesus right there. Just saying, love thy neighbor as thyself. One of the big, keystone philosophy pieces from the New Testament, and just right there. And this one is absolutely fantastic. I love this one. This is a huge one, whether you have religious beliefs, inclinations like that or not. No matter what, you can use this principle because it is extremely useful. Okay, when you love thy neighbor as thyself, there are a few different parts to it. First off, there's an idea of reciprocity. So if you do favors for other people, if you put forth effort towards loving other people, then other people are going to give you some love back. That's just like a general idea of human reciprocity. If you do something for somebody else, they're naturally going to feel inclined to do something back for you. So on a Winning Friends and Influencing People, great book on that, by the way, Dale Carnegie, 1936 on that one. Absolutely fantastic book. I recommend you read How to Win Friends and Influence People. But regardless of that, I mean, that's just a big part of it, is that when you treat thy neighbor as thyself, you do things for that person, they're going to want to give you some stuff back. So there's that part of it. There's the other part of it that's really your subconscious mind. When you treat other people well, the subconscious mind treats you well. When you treat other people badly, you're going to treat yourself badly. Like, your subconscious mind is just going to do that. And I've done this a little bit on the golden rule in a previous video, but that's basically the idea of it. When you treat thy neighbor as thyself, you're putting out that love into the universe, and the universe really returns it to you in abundance, because that's what the subconscious mind does. It multiplies what you give it. So if you give it love, it gives you like 10 times the love back. If you give other people love, then the subconscious mind is going to give you 10 times the love back. If you give hate, then you're going to get 10 times the hate back on yourself. That's basically the idea of this one, that it's just love thy neighbor as thyself. Absolutely fantastic. Those are like two main reasons why this is a great principle. Definitely use this one. Give it a shot. It's not always easy to be entirely empathetic with other people. Like, people are just not naturally awesome at that, just from an early age. But if you use this principle even a little, even just like 1% of the time, 0.5% of the time, if you use this principle, you can really transform your life. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time with part 18. So stay tuned.